Here I have ZTE Nubia Z7 Max, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as the Nubia logo pops up on the screen, and let's wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the Nubia System Recovery mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you may apply update from the SD card. You can try to update your phone by using some external storage. You can apply the device by using the OTG. You can wipe data. You can also accomplish the hard reset operation. You can wipe cache partition or calibrate the touchscreen. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the first option, which is reboot system now. Press the power key to confirm it and wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so now you can use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.